Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kia Forte poor fuel economy issue and potential causes. Poor fuel economy can be caused by several verified factors including dirty air filters, worn spark plugs, or issues with tire pressure. Other contributing factors may include driving habits, excessive idling, or carrying extra weight. Some Kia Forte models may experience reduced fuel efficiency due to older engine designs or specific trim configurations. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Potential issues could also include fuel system deposits or malfunctioning sensors, which may indicate decreased fuel efficiency. Regular maintenance, such as timely oil changes, spark plug replacement, and ensuring proper tire pressure can help improve fuel economy. Owner reports show that keeping up with scheduled maintenance and monitoring driving habits tends to maintain better fuel efficiency across most model years. Newer models could show slight improvement in fuel efficiency compared to older generations, but results vary depending on vehicle condition and usage. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.